On the 26th of June 2025, President Bola Tinubu signed into law the new tax reform bill. So you should be aware how this affects you, the impact it has on you as an individual and also as a business. So you get prepared for 2026. Out of many things about this bill, I'll just mention three major ones that affect the masses or most persons and businesses. The first one is an increase in capital gain tax. And what that means is that you, from the previous 10%, now it is now 30%. But this is also for big companies. It does not affect small businesses. A business is considered small when the total profit in a year is not more than 100 million. So the moment you start earning more than 100 million a year, you are considered a big company and you'll be asked to pay the 30% capital gain tax. The next one is a capital gain tax on indirect shares, transfer of shares. Now, what that means is that if you sell your shares and you earn more than 10 million naira as profit, you'll be asked to pay tax. But if you don't earn more than 10 million naira as profit and the shares you are selling is now above 150 million naira, then you are not paying tax. Let me say that again. If you earn more than 10 million naira when selling your shares in a Nigerian company, you will pay tax on it, capital gain tax. But if you don't, you're not paying. Now, the third one, which affects individuals. If you are earning more than 800,000 naira in a year, you will pay 25% of that money to the federal government as tax, as personal income tax, PIT. If you earn more than 800,000 in a year. So let's say you are earning 100,000 per month. That means in a year you are earning 1.2. If you are earning 1.2, which means every month from your 100,000 you are paying 25%. That means you are paying 25,000 naira out of your 100,000 naira salary. So what you take home is 75,000. Assuming your company does not remove pensions and every other charges. So as an individual, if you are earning more than 800,000 in a year from 2026, you'll be paying 25% tax to the federal government. All right, thank you. Please do well to share to those who need this. Bye.